How to change default Google account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now open your Google Chrome. Then on the top there, you are going to see the Google account which you have set as default. So in order to change this, you are going to tap on the profile icon. Then you will tap on your Gmail. Then you will scroll down. Then tap on sign out. As you can see, I've already signed out. Now, in order to change to another Google account, you are going to tap on sign in at the top there. Then choose the Gmail or the Google account that you want to sign in with. So I'm going to select from this list, I'm going to select this one. Then as you can see, I've already signed in using that Google account. So if I go back to the search, you will see that the icon there has changed. It is now having a new profile icon. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to change default Google account on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.